Welcome everyone, let's share the clip on the Xbox Series S. So the first step is we need to set it up, so we'll just click on the Xbox logo, like so, and then we'll click on RB until we're brought to capture and share, and then we'll go to capture settings at the very bottom. Once we're here, what we're going to do is the one you want to change is the game clip resolution, so you can see this one. Just want to set this to the highest one possible. If you are uploading to Twitter, you can lower it to 720p. However, if you want the best quality, just set the highest quality you have available. On the Series S, that should be 1080p. Maybe in some situations you'll see 1440p, but it's 1080p. So capture location as well, you want to change this if you can. So here's the deal, right? All the clips are going to take up storage on your Series S. You can have a lot of storage, so here's the deal. What you can do is you can actually plug in external hard drives or external SSDs, and those will actually work for capturing the clips. So if you want to do that, just click on capture location. If you plug it in that external hard drive or that external SSD, it will show up here. I would tutorial how to do that if you want, so I'll leave that in the description. And yeah, we're going to go back up. You see, record what happens. I recommend you set this to a minute, because if you don't, then you can't choose the lower options. So then we're going to go back here, back one more time. And if you want to capture that clip, just click on the Xbox logo and then RB to capture and share. And you see this one here, record what happens. Click on this one, and then you can choose here last 15 seconds up to a minute. So we'll just do last 15 seconds. And you're going to see preparing your clip. Give it a little bit for it to prepare, and then game clip recorded. So you can hold down the Xbox button to open it up, and then you'll be able to see the clip right here. So the upload to the Xbox Network failed, probably because I'm not on the internet, but you can see this one right here. If we click into that one, we can see the last 15 seconds or whatever if you would like, and pressing back, well, it's going to go back. And nothing as well is if you want to see the captures, go to recent captures here, and then you should be able to see just now, and you can see that Call of Duty Black Ops 3 that I just captured. And yeah, click into it, and then you have all those share options as well. You have the upload, you have the trim, delete, all that good stuff. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.